They say fear is the best motivator. And if that's true, then this car is pure motivation on wheels. Because the moment you hear its supercharger scream, the world around you blurs, your heart races, and you realize this isn't just a machine, it's a threat. This is the Dodge Challenger Hellcat Redeye, a 797 horsepower monster that doesn't just challenge supercars, it terrifies them. Welcome to Motor Axis, where today we unleash the most unhinged American muscle ever built, a car so wild, it feels less like transportation and more like an explosion waiting to happen. From the very first glance, the Hellcat Redeye looks dangerous. It's not sleek and subtle, it's wide, brutal, and unapologetically angry. The hood bulges like it's barely containing what's underneath, and that's because under there lives a beast, a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 that spits out 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. That's the kind of power that turns tires into smoke and turns calm drivers into adrenaline junkies. It's a car that can outmuscle a Ferrari, outroar a Lamborghini, and outlast nearly anything that dares to line up beside it. The secret lies in that monstrous 2.7-liter supercharger. It's the heart and the howl of the Redeye. Push the throttle, and it screams like a banshee as the V8 roars to life. The power doesn't build, it erupts. In a blink, the Redeye launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds, leaving a trail of sound, smoke, and disbelief behind. Inside, you're surrounded by aggression and purpose. Every detail reminds you this isn't luxury, it's lunacy. The red-face gauges, the SRT drive modes, the thick steering wheel that feels like it was designed for battle. Even the seat stitching looks ready to fight. But what's really impressive is how the Redeye manages to be brutal and usable. You can daily drive it, hit the drag strip on weekends, and still use it for a grocery run, assuming you can resist flooring it at every stoplight. It's madness, wrapped in practicality. And then there's that wide-body design. It's not just for looks, those flared fenders give it extra width for better grip and stability. Massive 20-inch wheels wrapped in sticky Pirelli tires do their best to tame the chaos, while Brembo brakes stand ready to save your life when things get a little too exciting. On paper, the Redeye shouldn't make sense. It's heavy, loud, thirsty, and borderline unhinged. But that's exactly why it works. Because it's not trying to be perfect, it's trying to be unforgettable. Every time you drive it, you feel like you're defying the modern world. When everyone else is going electric and silent, Dodge decided to make a car that shouts, roars, and spits fire. The Hellcat Redeye isn't just a car, it's a rebellion. Even its name has attitude. Redeye, the demonic twin of the original Hellcat, powered by the same heart as the Dodge Demon. It's a warning label disguised as a badge. When that glowing Redeye stares back at you from the fender, it's not decoration, it's intimidation. On the drag strip, it's a certified monster. Quarter mile in just over 10 seconds. That's supercar speed, from something that weighs over 4,400 pounds. The sound, the launch, the violence, it's all pure, unfiltered muscle. But beyond the numbers, the Hellcat Redeye is about emotion. It's about feeling your pulse climb as the revs rise, about hearing that supercharger whine and knowing you're in control of something truly untamed. It's the last breath of an era that refuses to die quietly. Because the truth is, the world is changing. The age of electric cars is here, and the roar of the V8 is fading. But the Redeye doesn't care. It exists to remind us what driving used to feel like, loud, raw, and full of heart. So when you see one pass by, don't think of it as just another car. Think of it as the final battle cry of American muscle, a 797 horsepower goodbye that shakes the ground beneath your feet. The Dodge Challenger Hellcat Redeye isn't just a car that scares supercars, it's the car that reminds them where true power came from. This is Motor Axis, and if you love raw horsepower, sound, and soul, you're in the right place. Because here, we don't just talk about cars, we bring them to life.